Hello and welcome to another travel adventure with Sam, and today I've got something really special for you. I'm at Haigh's Chocolates. Now, Haigh's Chocolates is a South Australian institution and they make some of the best chocolates that you could ever hope for. So let's go inside and have a look at the wonderful array of chocolates inside Haigh's Chocolates. And here we are. It's incredible the amount of chocolates they have here. All different types. A lot of people in here today. There's the founder of the company, Alfred E Haigh. There's a lot of history in this business, and they make some of the best chocolates that you could ever hope for. They come packaged in boxes, in cellophane. It's amazing. Look at these frogs. Amazing. Chocolate frogs. Love chocolate frogs. What do we have over here? More frogs. Frogs everywhere. Here we are. Wow. Looks like dark chocolate, 70% cocoa. Look at the packaging. The packaging is amazing. Really stunning. And the chocolates are to die for. I don't know if you've ever tasted Haigh's chocolates, but let me tell you, they are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at these. These are the larger frogs. How cool are they? So cool. I want to take you into this room, which shows you a bit of the history of the founders of the company. They do self-tours, self-guided tours here, so you can come in here anytime you want and actually do a tour. And here are the founding members. So on the left-hand side, you've got Alfred Haigh. He started in 1915. And the next person between 1933 and 1959 is Claude Haigh, followed by John Haigh. And then if you come down right here, you've got Simon and Alistair. Now, Simon and Alistair are the current joint managing directors of the company. Alistair is also the Chief Executive Officer, and Simon is the Chief Financial Officer as well. So there you go, a bit of history there. And it tells you that they started on Beehive Corner, which is right on the corner of Rundle Mall and King William Street on the 1st of May 1915. And they purchased a property here at Parkside in 1917, and they moved all the manufacturing production facilities over to this site in 1919. So it's been here ever since. And this house that you can see right here is where they used to live. That was demolished to make way for the visitor centre. So there you go. And right there is a board which tells you the story of the cocoa bean, the tree, the harvesting, where they're grown, and all that information as well. So really cool to have a little area that you can learn a little bit more about the history of Haigh's Chocolates. And as you can see, it's quite popular. A lot of people getting their chocolates, being served the wonderful treats. This is just amazing. Love this place. So if you're ever in Adelaide, please make sure you come to Haigh's Chocolates on Green Hill Road in Parkside, and they will greet you with warm and open arms, and you can buy some amazing chocolates. They're getting ready for Christmas here, as you can see, little teddy bears, etc. So yeah, make sure that next time you're in Adelaide, you come to Green Hill Road, Parkside, and come into Haigh's Chocolates, do a bit of a tour, speak to some of the people, and buy yourself some yummy, yummy chocolates. So there you go. So I hope you liked this little video. If you did, please hit the like button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. It's free to do, and it helps my channel to grow. And until next time, happy travels.